All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this edition. In this edition, I have my friend here, and he'll say his name.
Hi, my name is Tony.
You have to talk closer to the microphone.
Hello, my name is Tony.
And what we're going to do in this edition is we're going to quiz Tony on what he has been learning for the past 1 week. Okay?
Okay.
Good. Let's start. How do you say good morning?
Oyare.
And how do I respond?
Oyare ahinya.
Say that in the microphone.
Oyare ahinya.
All right. And how do you say good evening?
Oyimore.
And how do you respond?
Oyimore atinda.
What?
Oyimore atinda.
Oimore ahinya.
Oyimore ahinya.
Okay. Now, right now you are coughing. What did we say coughing is?
Afuolo.
Afuolo.
And
And how do you respond? Ifuolo.
Ifuolo.
No, if I ask, Ifuolo, what do you say?
Afuolo.
Ibiro.
Abiro.
Intie.
Antie.
Inkanye.
Alkanya.
No, but what is the concept that I taught you on the E and A? Say it on the microphone. What did I say?
The concept of the E and the A.
Yeah, Ifuolo, Afuolo. What is that concept?
Isn't that like an I?
Yeah, say it. Say it.
Oh, the concept is that you change the E in the word to you change the I in the word to an A.
So, for example,
If
what?
like Ifuolo.
So, Ifuolo might mean who?
Are you coughing?
Then Afuolo means?
I am coughing.
So, the Ifuolo is
Asking a
is
question.
asking you, right?
Mm-hmm.
And A is responding by saying yourself, because A is me.
Yes.
And E is you. Okay?
Yes.
So that's the first concept that we learned in Luo language. Okay. Second, counting. Count for me. All the counting numbers. Closer to the microphone.
Okay.
All that you can remember.
A video. No. A dick.
Mm-hmm.
Angwen.
Mm-hmm.
Angwen.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, no, I just said Angwen.
Nikki, stop. Nikki, stop cheating.
A video.
Mm-hmm.
A beach.
Mm-hmm.
Can you stop?
Nikki, stop.
A chill, a rio, a dake, angwen, a beach, a uchiel, a berio, a boro, a chico, a par.
Good. Now you know how to count from 1 through 10.
Mm-hmm.
So next week we shall be counting from 11 through 20. And also next week we shall be joining 2 words. So we'll be joining 3 words.
Mm-hmm.
So what should they expect? Because you're the one who is going to edit the videos. We are going to make the first video tomorrow. What should they expect? Tell them.
You should expect something a bit different than what you're experiencing right now. It's going to have more flashy transitions and stuff to catch more attention to other people. And maybe even a new thumbnail style. I don't know.
Alrighty. So how do you say goodbye?
Oriti. Goodbye.